So I'm going to try a collage in the style of Matisse. So for this, I'm going to need some scissors, some glue and some different bits of paper. So I am lucky enough to have here some coloured bits of paper here, so I can have them. But if you don't have that at home, there's other things you could do, such as raid your recycle bin and have a look around your house for other things. So I've got, for example, envelopes. It could be used envelopes, inside packing paper from something from Amazon. I've got old work documents that a parent or a carer might have at home that you can use the back of. Tea box. Once again, Christmas card envelope, Christmas wrapping paper, or any old wrapping paper. There's lots of things. Alternatively as well, if you don't have many of those things, you could get some plain paper and colour it in with pens or pencils ready. So let's see, so I could just get this and do some colour swatches of the colours that I like nice and quickly. For example, pencil on its side works really well for this, for colouring in just lightly. Remember that when Matisse did his paper cuts, he wasn't using specially made colour paper. He was using plain paper that had got just a cheap old paint painted over the top. So you could do that as well. Okay, so I've got my example ones here, which are on the PowerPoint slide as well. And I will just use these for a little bit of inspiration. I'm going to put my pile of paper over here out the way. And I'm going to start thinking about just filling in the background first, because I don't have to commit too much because it's just paper. So let's see, I will, got a strip of paper anyway, so maybe I'll do some geometric shapes first in the background. So let's see, just cut that off there. Maybe I'll make it a little bit narrower. Okay. What other geometric shapes could I do? I could do some squares. Some rectangles. Maybe another long strip of this. Not quite sure how I'm going to use it yet, so I'm just going to place these around. What else could I do? I could do I'm going to do a semicircle. Got my line there. I should start to think about the colours that I use, but at the minute, because this is just experimental and the first thing that we're doing, I'm not too worried about this. Oh, I could use the curve that I've already got on that as a feature. What else? I might want to think about the kind of object that I'm going to cut out at some point. Will I do something organic, like these kind of leaves? Will I try a figure? Will I try something more obvious like this animal here? More paper for the background there first. Right, so I've got two shapes now from that would be usable. So I've got my shape that I was going for and my scrap, and I can use both of them in here. Put that one up there. I might just neaten off the end.
Put that one slightly over there. There's another thing that I can think about here, and this is positive and negative space. So, for example, I'll show an example. This. So, I'm going to cut this square. I'm going to cut the shape out of here. So the shape that I cut out of here will be the positive space, and the background will be the negative space. So let's think of a shape. Right. Something like leaf-like.
So that's my negative space and that's my positive space. So I could use that. Almost like that if I wish to. Right. Okay, so at some point I've got to commit and stick. Decide where I want things to go.